Hello and welcome to Two Car Pros. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to replace the air filter in a 2005 F-150 with a 5.4 liter V8. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, here is the top of the engine. This is where the air box is. In order to get the air filter out, you flip up these clasps, remove this drawer, and then you can remove the filter material. Oh yeah, that one's disgusting. So, you need a new filter material. You need this. The Motorcraft FA1754. Now we can replace this and make sure they're identical, which they are. It's just the one on the right is much cleaner. So we can put it in just the way we found it, which was like this. It's a rectangle. Make sure that's nice and in there and replace the clasps. And your air filter is changed. Thank you so much for watching. That was how to replace the air filter for 2004 to 2008 F-150 with a 5.4 liter V8 with no tools required. Thanks again for watching. All applicable links are down below in the description, and I'll see you next time.